image from Google, someone with Word, and put it in Photoshop. Then go to layer, new layer, go to mode screen and fill this out. Then go to black arrow, put weight 0.5 centimeters, go to sword and do this. Then merge down. Go to layer and duplicate that layer 3 times. Now go to copy to, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur and put it 8. Or you can put 9, or I don't know how you want it. Then go to layer 1 copy and 16. And then layer 1 24. Then merge all down to layer 1, all copies. So then go to image adjustments and color balance, or you can just click Ctrl B. Then you choose color. Here you have 3 tone balances: shadows, midtones and highlights. Go and shadows. Then go to filter again and go to brush strokes, angled strokes. Then you can choose here which one you want. I'll take accident edges, click OK and flatten image. That's all.